So you can just open the kernel upgrade notepad also.
Yes.
On one end, and one end you can open this remote desktop. You can just put it on one side.
Okay. Okay. So this is only the node, no?
Yeah, this is the document. So you need to start with this login with SID ADM. You already logged in, right?
Yeah.
Then the first step is check existing kernel version. Okay.
Okay.
So first you check whether the quality server is on or off. Can you just check it? And if it is off, you just on it. Go into SAP MMC.
Wait. Sir, yes, no?
Yes. Yeah.
Right
BIQ.
on.
BIQ. We are doing for BIQ.
Oh, yeah, something.
Yeah. Just check whether it is on or off. Yeah, this is off, right? So you need to start that BIQ server.
Okay.
So give the password. India 123 I capital. Yeah.
3. Okay.
Click on process list. Yeah, this should show up. Okay. So there is a refresh button over here. If you see here, I have kept the cursor. Can you see on this SAP MMC? There is file action view favorites. Below favorite, there is a refresh button.
Sir, your cursor is not visible.
Okay. Okay, fine. So now it is started. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the first point is check existing version, right?
Yes.
So go into SAP logon pad. You need to add the connection here. Click on create. Yeah. Next. Yeah, you can give the description here as quality server.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Put the application server name, that is host name, GISR01. G for goat, GISR 01.
01. Instance number 01.
01, yeah. System ID is BIQ. Yeah, click on finish.
Finish, okay.
Okay, so now you can just double click quality server. Login with DDIC. DDIC is nothing but the super user.
Yeah, okay.
Password same, India 123 I capital.
Sir, next.
Enter. Click on enter. Yeah, so here, can you just check the first point? Check existing version using transaction SM51.
SM51.
So put /n SM51. Enter. So it will take some time. Okay, it is compiling. Once this is done at the end, it will open that screen.
Okay. Close, sir.
Yeah, so now you select that server name, yeah, and click on release notes. No, at release notes. If you can see, it is at the front.
Yeah, okay, yes.
Click on release note. This one you can just close it. Here it has opened, right? Yeah, you can close that. Yeah. So if you see here, like everyone, Bharat and Neha, the patch number is 32, right? So we will be upgrading this patch number 32 to 137. Okay.
Okay.
So first point we have already checked. What is the second point?
Download
Download the SAR files, right? So SAR files are also downloaded. So if you can go into D drive at OS level. Go into my computer. D drive. If you go into kernel folder, so these two files are downloaded from service.sap.com or we can say from support.sap.com. Okay. So we will be upgrading patch from 32 to 137. Okay. So now what is the third point? Take the backup of existing kernel. Yeah. The path is also I have written down, right? In that notepad. So instead of BID, it will be BIQ now because the system is different, right? So system is BIQ. So can you just go into one by one path and just take the backup of that folder?
Yes. D user SAP BIQ dev
Instance, yeah, 01, yeah.
Sir, these two copy, no?
Yeah. So first you copy this. Yeah, paste it there itself. So it will create a copy of that exe, okay?
Okay.
So why we are taking the backup? We are taking the backup in order to, if anything goes wrong, we can just restore with this folder, okay?
Yes. Then sales folders.
Yeah, do the same way here also. Yes.
Okay. Create a script.
Create a script. So script is already there in D drive kernel folder.
Sir, this is
path. Yeah, that is the script. So here you need to make the changes. Script is already ready. Okay.
yes.
So what changes you will make in order to suit this script for BIQ?
BIQ.
Yeah, instead of BID, it will be BIQ, and there is one more change also. So Ajinkya, what you do is first you make all BID to BIQ. Okay. Okay. So what is the other change? So other change is the instance number. So instance number of BIQ is 01, right?
Yes.
And for BID it is 00. So you just make it the change from 00 to 01. Yeah, there. Got everyone? The second here also, yeah.
Okay.
I think other than that, there is no other change. Okay, so save this file. Yeah. Now the script is created. Okay, now what is the fifth point?
Stop SAP and BID service.
So instead of BID, it will be BIQ services. Okay. So now go into SAP MMC.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Yeah,
Sir,
stop. Yeah, select that BIQ, go into all task, then stop.
okay.
So first, we need to stop BIQ, and then we need to go into services. So once this is stopped, it is gray out, right? The color will be gray out. You can refresh it from this second line, third, under favorites. Under favorite, it is there.
Sir, this message.
Yeah, application server shutdown. No.
No. Okay.
Click on no. Yeah. So here you can just refresh it.
Refresh.
Below favorite button, there is a refresh.
Favorite button. I'm not
Favorite
getting.
here, file, action, view,
Yeah, yeah.
favorite.
Okay. Okay.
Below that, yeah, that one, yeah. Just refresh it, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So now it is stopped. BIQ server is stopped. Now you need to stop the services also. So how you will stop the services?
Sir, we need to log into the server. No.
No, already you have logged into the server. No, go into run.
.msc.
Can you just scroll down this? Yeah. Go into start. Run. Click on run.
Service.msc.
Yeah. Write services.msc. .msc.
MSC.
Yeah. Click on OK.